Dear student, prayer. Today we continue exercise 8.4, question number 5, page number 193. Question 5. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expression are defined. First question. Cosec theta minus cot theta all square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So here first question, this is LHS and this is RHS. We need to prove that if we solve this LHS part, we get this right side part. Now look here, right side contains cos theta, isn't it? So first we simplify this side and come like expression with or expression with cos theta. Okay. So first consider LHS. LHS is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Then cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, isn't it? So replace cosec theta with 1 by sin theta minus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So replace cot theta by cos theta by sin theta, then whole square. Now here both denominators are same. Here sin theta, here sin theta. So we can subtract numerators, isn't it? Here subtraction. So this can be write like 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay. Now split this square. This can be write like 1 minus cos theta whole square. Numerator whole square by denominator square. We separate this numerator and denominator. Okay. Now sin square theta. We know identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this identity, we can write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So substitute this 1 minus cos theta in the place of sin square theta. So this become 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so in the place of sin square theta, we replace 1 minus cos square theta. Now 1 minus cos theta whole square. This can be write like if x square means x into x, isn't it? X square means x into x. Like that we can expand this 1 minus cos square theta like 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We write x square as x into x, isn't it? Like that we can expand this numerator. And by denominator is like 1 minus cos square theta, that is like a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So here 1 we can consider as 1 square. 1 square is 1 itself. So this is consider like 1 square. Then this is 1 square minus cos square theta, like a square minus b square. At the place of a 1 and at the place of b cos theta. So this can write like 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, like this, a minus b into a plus b. Now we can cancel this 1 minus cos theta and this 1 minus cos theta, and finally we get this numerator 1 minus cos theta by denominator 1 plus cos theta. Now look at RHS. RHS is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We get that answer. So this is equal to RHS, hence the proof. Question 2. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A equal to sec A. Now consider LHS. LHS. Here fraction, isn't it? Both are fractions. Here denominator 1 plus sin A. Here denominator cos A. So first we solve this fraction like this. Multiply this numerator with this denominator. Sorry, this denominator with this numerator and this denominator with this numerator and multiply this like that. Okay, so do that. Cos A into cos A plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So we fractions solve like this. Fraction solution is this. So we fractions solve like this. Okay, I think all of you understand. Now cos A into cos A means cos square A. X into x means x square, like that. Cos A into cos A means cos square A. Same like 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A means 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay. Now this is in the form of A plus B whole square. I think all of you remember. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus, sorry, A square plus 2AB plus B square. Both are correct. A square plus B square plus 2AB also correct. Okay. So we expand this like this form. So this is A and this is B. Okay. So cos square A plus A square. A square is 1 square. 1 square is 1 itself plus 2AB means 2 into 1 into sin A. 2AB means 2 into 1 into sin A. 2 into 1 is 2 itself and 2 into sin A is 2 sin A plus B square is this sin square A. Sin square A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now consider this cos square A plus sin square A. These two terms, cos square A plus sin square A. We learned one identity, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, isn't it? So substitute that here. So sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So here 1 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now consider numerator. Both have 2 common. Here 2 plus 2 sin A. We can take outside these 2, isn't it? Both terms have 2. Okay, so take outside that 2. So this is 2 into, then here 1. 1 into 2 is 2. So here 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay. Now here 2 into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So here we can cancel this 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Finally we get 2 by cos A. Now what is 1 by cos A? 1 by cos A is sec. So here 2 numerator, then 1 by cos A is sec A. So this is 2 sec A and this is the RHS, so the proof. Now question 3, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal 1 plus the sec theta into cosec theta. Here given one hint, write the expression in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So this is the question. Here given hint, write the expression in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Now consider here tan theta. Tan is sin theta by cos theta. Do you remember? Then cot is cos theta by sin theta. So substitute that here. So first we write this LHS portion in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Okay. So start. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta by this 1 minus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta plus, now consider cot theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, then all divided by, here 1 minus tan theta, that is 1 minus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So we write this question in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Now first solve these fraction, 1 minus cos theta by sin theta and 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. So here we consider here 1 by 1 is 1 itself. Now multiply this denominator with the numerator and this denominator with the numerator and multiply these together. Okay, I think all of you know that. So first write this numerator same, sin theta by cos theta all divided by this denominator into this numerator. So 1 into sin theta is sin theta itself. Then put this minus sign. Then 1 into cos theta is cos theta itself. So sin theta minus cos theta by 1 into sin theta is again sin theta itself. Now plus here also same way multiply this denominator into numerator and this denominator into numerator and multiply these denominators together. Okay, so first write this numerator cos theta by sin theta all divided by this 1 into cos theta is cos theta itself. So cos theta minus 1 into sin theta is sin theta itself divided by 1 into cos theta is cos theta itself. Okay. Now here one fraction divided by another fraction. Here also one fraction divided by another fraction. So we already learned how to divide a fraction with another fraction. I think all of you know that is fraction by another fraction means this numerator fraction into reciprocal of this denominator fraction. So I write here first numerator sin theta by cos theta and replace this division with multiplication and write its reciprocal. Numerator fractions reciprocal. So sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. So fraction by fraction means fraction is multiply with the reciprocal of the fraction of denominator. Okay, same way like here put this plus then cos theta by sin theta into this denominator cos theta by this numerator cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, now sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta means sin square theta. So sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, then this plus here cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. So cos square theta by this sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now consider here sin theta minus cos theta and here cos theta minus sin theta. Any connection between them? Here sin theta, there also sin theta, here cos theta, here also cos theta but this order is different, isn't it? Here sin theta minus cos theta, here cos theta minus sin theta. So we can rewrite this as like this, sin theta minus cos theta, but just to consider one thing, take outside minus, otherwise it is wrong. So here we replace this cos theta minus sin theta with sin theta minus cos theta, but replace this plus with minus. Okay. So this can be right sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta minus, here write minus because here minus we change this sin theta to this side and cos theta to this side, then this minus we take outside, otherwise it is wrong. See, here minus, that's why we take outside minus. If here plus, then no problem, just change its places, no problem, but here minus, so we take outside minus and here replace with minus. Okay, so minus cos square theta by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now a fraction minus another fraction, a fraction minus another fraction. So for subtraction or addition, we choose the same way, that is here multiply this numerator and denominator, again here multiply this numerator and denominator and multiply these two denominators. Okay, so sin square theta into sin theta minus cos theta, here also sin theta minus cos theta, so we can, this sin theta minus cos theta here in both sides, so no need to multiply with this, only with this sin theta, because of this portion in both the denominators have, so they already cancelled, that's why we multiply with this sin theta into sin square theta. Okay, understand? So sin square theta into sin theta, we get sin cube theta minus, here also cos theta into cos square theta, here sin theta minus cos theta, here also sin theta minus cos theta, so both are here common, so cos theta into cos square theta is cos cube theta, this all divided by this numerator multiply, so cos theta into sin theta into, here this is common, so this is sin theta minus cos theta. Now this numerator, consider numerator sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Sin cube theta minus cos cube theta is in the form of this identity a cube minus b cube. So its expansion is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so at the place of a here sin theta and at the place of b here cos theta, and we expand this numerator like this. So at the a minus b means sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, into a square is sin square theta, then plus b square is cos square theta plus ab means sin theta into cos theta, all divided by this numerator cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now consider this numerator and denominator. Here sin theta minus cos theta into, here multiplication, that's why we can cancel here also multiplication. So here sin theta minus cos theta, here also sin theta minus cos theta, so we can cancel this sin theta minus cos theta. Now consider sin square theta plus cos square theta. According to identity, this is 1. So substitute that value here. So that is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Okay. Now this split this. This is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Now split this numerator. So this is like 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Understand? Now 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus this, we can cancel sin theta and sin theta here 1, cos theta and cos theta here 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So we get 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus 1. Now consider 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta is sec theta. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. So we can write this is like sec theta into cosec theta plus 1. This is the RHS. So we get the answer. In question given RHS is 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. No problem here, anywhere 1. Here this is plus. So we can say this is also 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So if you have any doubt, that's why I explained in detail. That is this is plus, so we can change its places. Okay, no. So we get the answer. Now next question, question 4. 1 plus sec a by sec a equals sin square a by 1 minus cos a. So we consider this left hand side and we are going to prove this is equal to this right hand side. Okay, so take left hand side. Sec a means 1 by cos a. So substitute that here because here cos and sin. So we replace this sec with cos first. So 1 plus 1 by cos a all divided by 1 by cos a. Now this is equal to, we multiply. Here consider denominator 1. So multiply this numerator and denominator, this numerator and denominator, then multiply like this. Yeah, I think all of you know that. So 1 into cos a is cos a plus 1 into 1 means 1 by cos a. 1 into cos a is cos a itself, all divided by 1 by cos a. Now I already told in previous question that a fraction by a fraction means numerator fraction into reciprocal of denominator fraction. So we just write like this. Numerator is cos a plus 1 by cos a equal to, into cos a by 1. So we can cancel this cos a and cos a, and this is equal cos a plus 1 by 1. Okay. Now this is equal to, we can write this numerator like 1 plus cos a by 1. No problem. Now multiply both the numerator and denominator with 1 minus cos a. Numerator and denominator with 1 minus cos a, because here denominator is 1 minus cos a, and we multiply both numerator and denominator with the same thing. This answer can have no variation. So multiply both the numerator and denominator. So this is 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a. That is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So here is, this is a plus b and this is a minus b and this is a and this is b. So this can write like this is equal to 1 minus cos square a by 1 into 1 minus cos a is 1 minus cos a itself. Now consider this 1 minus cos square a by 1 minus cos a. Now identity, sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So I think all of you know that identity, sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, and this sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a, isn't it? We transpose this cos square a to the right hand side, we get to 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. So substitute that sin square a here. So this is equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. Now check, this is the right hand side of the question. That is, we proved. Now question 5. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal cosec A plus cot A. Using the identity cosec square A equal 1 plus cot square A. So here question LHS is in terms of cos and sin, and and here RHS is in terms of cosec and cot. So we need to convert these like cosec and cot. So divide both the numerator and denominator with the sin. Divide both the numerator and denominator with the sin A. Okay. So cos A by sin A we get cot. Then 1 by sin we get cosec like that. So remember both the numerator and denominator divide by sin A. So I write here cos A minus sin A plus 1 both all divided by sin A, then all divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 all divided by sin A. This, if we divide both the numerator and denominator with the same number, there is no change in the answer. That's why we both the numerator and denominator divide with the sin A. Now consider cos A separately. All these numerator have a denominator sin A, isn't it? So separately we consider one by one terms. So cos A by sin A. Cos A by sin A is cot A. Then this minus sin A by sin A. Sin A by sin A is 1 plus this 1 by sin A. 1 by sin A is cosec A divided by, now consider same like this, cos A by sin A is cot A. Now plus sin A by sin A is 1. Now minus 1 by sin A is cosec A. Now replace these terms, just change its places. Not replace, replace means just change its places only. So this is equal to cot A plus cosec A. This cot A, then this plus cosec A, then this minus 1 by this cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay. Now in question given, use this identity cosec square A equal 1 plus cot square A. So here 1 minus 1. So this 1 replace with this identity. So this identity, this here 1. So we transpose this cot square A to this side. This is cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. So 1 equal this cosec square A minus cot square A we substitute here. So this is equal to cot A plus cosec A minus in bracket, because here minus. So in bracket this is cosec square A minus cot square A all divided by same denominator cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now here consider A square minus B square, that 4. Cosec square A minus cot square A. So this is in the place of A and this is in the place of B. So use A minus B into A plus B, that formula. So this is equal to cot A plus cosec A minus in bracket this is cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A all divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now consider this is 1 together inside bracket cot A plus cosec A minus cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. Here multiplication. Now consider both the term have same term, isn't it? Both sides have a same term. Here cot A plus cosec A, here cosec A plus cot A. So here plus, so this place changes, no problem. So take outside common term. So here take outside cot A plus cosec A outside, then into here 1. This term take outside from here and here. So here now left 1, then this minus here cosec A minus cot A. Okay. By denominator cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay. Now minus, multiply this minus into minus, otherwise here bracket, this bracket means multiplication with this sign. So this is equal to cot A plus cosec A into 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Y minus into minus plus, all divided by this. We can write like 1 minus this cosec A. Now this cot A write last. So change its place. Cot A is a plus. So cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. We change its place. First write this 1 minus cosec A, then plus cot A. Now consider this denominator and this numerator portion is, so this denominator and this numerator same. So we can cancel and finally we get cot A plus cosec A. Now consider this question's RHS side. RHS side is this same. So we get the answer. So sixth question, root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equals sec A plus tan A. Now take this LHS side and multiply this LHS side with both numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin A. Otherwise we can't able to move further steps. So first step is multiply both numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin A. So this is become root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Both the numerator and denominator with the same number. Now 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. So this 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A is like A minus B into A plus B, isn't it? This is like x into x, that is x square. So we can write this like root of, this is 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square, because 1 square at the place of A square, here 1. 1 square is 1 itself, so this is 1 minus sin square. Now consider the identity, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Here 1 minus sin square A, so cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. We transpose this sign to the right hand side, we get 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So replace this 1 minus sin square A with cos square A. So this is equal to root of 1 plus sin A whole square by cos square A. Now take a root. Here 1 plus sin A whole square. Its root is 1 plus sin A by cos square A. Its root is cos A. Now split this. Here 1 by cos A. This is, we can split like 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Now 1 by cos A is sec A. So sec A plus sin A by cos A is tan A. Now consider this RHS same CK plus tan A, so we get the answer. Question 7, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal tan theta. So consider LHS. So LHS sin theta, here sin theta both common in both terms. So take outside that sin theta into here 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. By here also cos theta and cos theta here. So in both terms have a cos theta common. So take outside cos theta. So this is cos theta into here balance 2 cos square theta minus here 1. Okay. Now consider this cos square theta. According to identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal 1. We can replace this cos square theta with 1 minus sin square theta. So here in this place we replace 1 minus sin square theta. So this is equal to sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta into 2. Here already 2 into this 1 minus sin square theta, then this minus 1. Okay. Now this numerator is the same. So this is sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by this cos theta into this is 2 into 1 minus sin square theta, isn't it? 2 into 1 minus sin square theta. So multiply 2 into 1, we get it 2 minus 2 into sin square theta is 2 sin square theta. Then this minus 1 itself. Multiply this 2 with the inside terms. Now write the same denominator. Sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by then this cos theta into, now consider this 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then this minus 2 sin square theta. Now consider numerator and denominator. This 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here also 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So cancel this. Now sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So the RHS, hence the proof. Question 8. Sin A plus cosec A all square plus cos A plus sec A all square equal 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So we need to prove LHS is equal to RHS. This is question 8. Now start with the LHS. So this is sin A plus cosec A all square. That is A plus B all square 4. This is A plus B all square 4. Cos A plus sec A all square. That is also like A plus B all square. Now do you know expansion of A plus B all square? A square plus 2AB plus B square. So first expand these two portions like A plus B all square. So start. So at the place of A here sin. So this is sin square A plus then 2 into A into B. That is 2 into A is sin A into B is cosec A plus now B square. B square is cosec square A. Cosec square A. Now this plus, not to forget, this plus again expand this portion. So here A is cos and B is sec. Okay. So that is cos square A plus 2 into cos A into sec A. Now plus sec square A. At the place of B square, sec square A. Now we can rearrange this. Okay, so here sin square A. So first is sin square A plus we can write this cos square A with sin square A. So because we have one identity, cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. So these two terms we already write. Now plus this is 2 into sin A. Sin A into cosec A means 1 by sin A into cosec square A, right? Cosec square A itself, cosec square A plus we already take this one. Now this 2 into cos A into sec is 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A plus sec square A. Now consider here. Here sin A and sin A we can cancel. Here cos A and cos A we can cancel. Now here sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 plus here 2 into 1 2 plus this cosec square A plus here 2 into 1 is 2. Now plus sec square A. Okay. Now here 1 plus 2 plus cosec square A plus 2 plus sec square A. Now come to the identities. Identity 1 plus tan square A equal to sec square A. So we can replace this sec square A with 1 plus tan square A. And the cos square A plus 1 equal cosec square A. So we can replace this cosec square A with cos square A plus 1. So let's start. So this is equal to here 1 plus 2 plus cosec square A is cot square A plus 1, then plus this 2, then plus sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. Now add this 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So this is equal to 7 plus this cot square A plus tan square A. So we get RHS. RHS is 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Here all positive. So if change this place is no problem. So this is 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Both are same. Now question 9. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Hint, simplify LHS and RHS separately. Here we need to simplify LHS, then we get to one answer. Then simplify RHS, then we get to one answer. Both are same. Okay. So first we simplify LHS. Okay. So sec A minus sin A into cosec A, not sec. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. So we replace cosec A in terms of sin and sec in terms of cos. So cosec A is 1 by sin A. So substitute that value 1 by sin A minus sin A into sec A is 1 by cos A. So this is 1 by cos A minus cos A. Okay. Now here one fraction minus another number. Here fraction minus another number. Here consider here 1. 1. Okay. Now cross multiply denominator and numerator and multiply numerators. Okay. So here 1 into 1. 1 minus sin A into sin A sin square A divided by sin A into 1 sin A. So bracket, this is inside the bracket, same like here also. First is 1 into 1, 1 minus cos A into cos A is cos square A. Cos square A by cos A into 1 is cos A. Okay. Now identity sin square A plus cos square A equal 1. Here 1 minus sin square A. So here if we take this cos square A, then transpose this sin square A to the right hand side, we get 1 minus sin square A. That is 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So replace this with cos square A by sin A into, this is also like cos square A is transpose sin square A to the right hand side. We get 1 minus sin square, 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So replace here with sin square A by cos A. Okay. Now we can cancel here cos square A. Cos square A means cos A into cos A. So here one cos A and one cos A cancelled. Same like here sin square A and one sin A cancelled. Now balance is here cos A into sin A. So LHS we solved, we get cos A into sin A. So LHS we solved, we get cos A into sin A or sin A into cos A. Anyway, no problem. Now take RHS. So RHS is 1 by tan A plus cot A. So first replace this in terms of sin and cos, because we get the answer in terms of cos and sin. So we just replace this with tan. Tan is sin A by cos A plus cot A is cos A by sin A. Now fractions addition, so cross multiplication, these two cross multiply and multiply denominator. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by sin A into sin A is sin square A. Now this plus cos A into cos A is cos square A. Okay, divided by cos A into sin A. Cos A into sin A. Now consider this sin square A plus cos square A. This is an identity. This gives 1. So substitute that value here. This is 1 by cos A into sin A. This is sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So substitute that value. So numerator is 1. Then this value is 1 by this. That is 1 by cos A into sin A means this is equal to this reciprocal of this. That is 1 into cos A into sin A. That is cos A into sin A. Reciprocal of this 1 by 1, this a fraction means take its reciprocal. Reciprocal means cos A into sin A by 1. By 1 means no problem, we cannot write this 1 all. So this is cos A into sin A. So LHS is also cos A into sin A. So both are correct. So this is equal. Now 10th question. Question 10. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equal 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A all square equal tan square A. So here two questions given. We need to prove this question is equal to tan square A and this portion also equal to tan square A. So first take this portion and 1 plus tan square A is identity. 1 plus tan square A is sec square A. So replace with 3 square A. And 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. So this also replace with cosec square A. So we get sec square A by cosec square A. Now it replaces with cos and sin because we need to prove that this is equal tan square A. So tan is sin by cos. That's why we replace this sec square A with 1 by cos square A. Here sec square A. So sec A is 1 by cos A. Sec square is 1 by cos square A. Understand? This all divided by cosec square A is 1 by sin A. So cosec square A is 1 by sin square A. Now in previous question I already told one fraction divided by another fraction, then this numerator fraction into reciprocal of or inverse of this denominator fraction, isn't it? So replace like that, this 1 by cos square A into reverse or reciprocal of this is Here denominator comes as numerator and numerator comes as a denominator, and 1 cancelled, then or 1 into sin square is sin square, cos square into 1 is cos square. So sin by cos is tan A, so sin square by cos square is tan square A. So this portion is equal to tan square A. Now consider next portion, 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A all square. Now this is also we replace with in terms of sin and cos. So this is 1 minus tan A is sin A by cos A and cot A is cos A by sin A. Okay, replace. Now consider here 1 by 1 and here 1 by 1. Then fraction minus another fraction. So 1 into cos A is cos A. Then this minus 1 into sin A is sin A. Then this 1 into cos A is cos A. Then all divided by next portion. 1 into sin A is sin A. Then this minus this 1 into cos A is cos A by 1 into sin A is sin A. So we get it. Then here all square. So put that all square. Now a fraction by a fraction means that numerator fraction into reciprocal of denominator fraction. So write its reciprocal and make it as a multiplication. So this is numerator into reciprocal of denominator whole square. Now here consider cos A minus sin A. Here sin A minus cos A. So we take outside a minus from here and write this is like sin A minus cos A. In previous question I already told why take minus here, because here minus, if plus then we can replace these terms, no problem, but here minus, then we take minus outside and replace this. Okay, so here cos A minus sin A, so take a minus outside, this is sin A minus cos A. Now if we multiply this minus into sin A, we get minus sin A, and minus into minus cos A, we get plus cos A. Okay, so I think all of you understand. So minus of sin A minus cos A by this cos A, then these terms are same, and now all square. Now here consider sin A minus cos A, here sin A minus cos A, we can cancel. Now balance is sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A means tan A, and also this minus, so minus tan A all square. Now all square means minus tan A into minus tan A, minus into minus plus, then tan A into tan A is tan square A, so we get answer tan square A. Hope all of you understood well. Watch this video again and again, and also write these question answers step by step with me in your book. Okay, so because I already explained each term, each steps one by one, so write that steps with me in this when you are watching this video. So watch this video 2 or 3 times and study well. Thank you. So this chapter 8 is now completed. Thank you.